Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, if you're still looking for a perfect dessert to take to Thanksgiving, I'm going to show you just a real simple recipe today that you're going to love. And it is pecan pie bars. So if you don't feel like doing the whole pecan pie or whatever, this is a little shortcut. Just something simple, easy. Some people don't like dealing with the little pie crust or whatever. So guess what? This is a great alternative to pecan pie. And we're going to do it and make some little bars. Now, I've got my oven set at 350. Got that, got her warmed up there. She's raring to go. And I have put some parchment paper in my pan there. And I gave it a little brush of butter in there. So we've got that ready. Now we're just going to put this little the crust together, okay? So we're going to start with 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So I need to fill her back up. Give me some more flour. It's about that time, James Russell. They're like, whatever. All right, and about a quarter cup. I do have a 1/4 cup measuring cup, y'all, but here I am, just eyeballing it. All right, you can just give it a little whisk just like this, or you can put it through the sifter, whatever you want to do. Now, I have got a cup of butter that I have melted here. I'm going to pour that in here. I do have salted butter, and it calls for a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I've already got a little bit of, I've got salted butter, so I'm just going to put just a little bit in there. We don't want it all salty. Give that a little stir. I'm going to go ahead and mix my sugar. We need about 3/4 cup of just regular granulated sugar. And of course, I've got a measuring spoon for that too, but here I am, eyeballing it. Give this a little mix. Now we're going to put this butter in. Now I want to tell you, if you want to make this even better and take it to the next level, you can cook it on the stove for about 6-7 minutes and brown this butter. And honey, it'll take it to a whole nother level. I did brown it just a little bit. But you'll get that nutty flavor. I'm getting all my butter up out of here. We'll just set it back there. All right, give this a little mix. Now this is going to be fairly moist, so no worries. It's not going to be like a pie crust exactly. But this is what we're looking for about right here. It almost has the consistency of cookie dough. So I'm going to get all this out of here. We're just going to press this down. If I can get it out of here, we'll just press it down into that that pan there. And it is going to cook for about 15 minutes. And you want to just pull it out of there. Lord, I'm trying to get all my goodie up out of that. You're going to cook it for about 15 minutes. And it might bubble up a little bit and just mash it down. And then we're going to make that good little filling that makes this delicious pecan pie bars. So let's just get this in here. Got my hands washed, y'all. No worries on that. Just going to mash it. Mash it all down in here. Nothing exciting. I do like to use this parchment paper though, because when it comes out, you can just pull them right out. You ain't got to worry about sticking to your pan or nothing. You can just lift that parchment paper up when it's all said and done. And you are good to go. Get all this goodie out my way. Real exciting stuff here, Russell.
Yeah.
Real exciting. Alright, I'm just going to get all this smooth down in here. Alright, Got this mashed all down. Voila. This is what she's gonna look like. Ooh. Alright, throw it in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash my little stuff, move some stuff out of the way, and I'm gonna show you that filling because it's gonna go on as soon as it comes out of the oven. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm just gonna throw my little filling together. I have got 4 eggs, and I'm just gonna give those just a little whisk before I add my other stuff in. Alright. 4 eggs, and I've got 1 stick of butter, and yummy yummy. All this butter can't go wrong. Alright, a little bit of butter, a cup of dark corn syrup. I've got the Cairo here. Let me go ahead and put my brown sugar in first before I get this all sticky. A cup of light brown sugar. Nice. Alright, 1 cup going in. I don't know about y'all, but I have always looked forward to some pecan pie anywhere. No matter what holiday it is, I love it. My mom said she craved that when she's pregnant with me, so maybe that's where it comes from. I'm just going to use the same one. 1 cup of dark corn syrup. A little trick is you could spray this first and it come right out. The unfortunate part of that trick is I didn't do it. So, just going to get it all in here. I think I did pretty good there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give that a little stir. You know what I'm going to do? Get me another little scraper here. Alright. Get the rest of this butter while I'm getting it too. I wasn't completely satisfied. Look at all that I was missing. Wow. As high as butter is, we ain't about to do all that. A little splash of vanilla. There we go. And a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Pop, pop, pop. I'm going to give this a mix. And then our pecans, and y'all, that is all it is to it. Just that quick. Look at it. It smells good. So there.
Man, what?
Yummy. Looks like caramel, don't it?
It does.
Yum. Alright, and we're going to put about 3½ cups of pecan halves in here. Got my little clean one over here. And I like to keep mine whole for pecan pies, bars, whatever. That's just my preference. You can chop it if you want to. But, there you go. Normally when you have a pecan pie, it's full pieces. Alright. That's it. Look at that. So good. Yummy. Smells good. That brown sugar and that vanilla and all that's already smelling good. So we got our filling made. 15 minutes now. When it comes out, I'm going to just put this right on top of it hot. You don't have to wait to cool it or anything. Then I'm going to cook it for about 30-35 minutes. And now you do have to let it sit. You don't want it to be jiggly when it comes out. And you're going to let it sit just to get happy before you go cutting into it. But 15 minutes, I'll let you know what my crust looks like. Alright, y'all. This is what it looks like right out the oven. And I just mashed it down. You see some little fingerprints right there. It puffed up. If it puffs up, just kind of give it a little love tap. And let her go. Alright, I'm going to stir this back up. Make sure it's all nice and friendly, all mixed up. Got one little pecan right there. Hanging in, buddy. Come on, friend. Here we go. All right. Just gonna give it a mix. Yummy. Right on this hot. It can be right out the oven hot. It don't have to wait around for it. Right on out of there. Don't that look good already, Russell? Shoo doggy. Looks good. You didn't say.
Yeah, it looks good.
James Russell
He's
in another world.
I was in my own little planet looking at this camera.
All right, got all that out of there. Just gonna, forgot that was hot. Give it a little mix. There we go. Now how simple is that? I think you can make this one, Russell.
I think I could, probably.
I think you could do it.
It looks fantastic.
Yummy.
It smells.
Mm-hmm. And it's about to smell even better. And I'll tell you another little tip for these pecans, and y'all might say pecans, whatever, however you say it. We say pecans here. But you can toast these pecans just a little bit. Make them even better. But I didn't, so in they go. It's going to be good either way. But that is a good little way to enhance the flavor. So I'm going to put this in for about 30-35 minutes now. And then I will let it sit. I'm not going to burn your esophagus, Russell, trying to try it. But you do want it to sit just a little bit. And it is at 350 degrees. I've already told you what that is. But in it's going. And I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done. Alright, y'all, look. Straight out the oven. Now, you don't want it to be jiggly in the middle. You want it to be just like this. I cooked it for exactly 35 minutes. So, y'all like my little...
She's proud of
my little glove. Listen, I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I got to see it. They're really nice for $1.25. But anyway, I just noticed I was talking with this. So
she's puppet master.
I'm puppet master. But anyway, we're going to let these sit for about 15 minutes. And then this is why I have the parchment paper. I can just hopefully lift them out and cut them into bars. So we'll come back when they're cooled and Russell's ready to taste them. All right?
All right.
All right. Okay, y'all. It's been about 20 minutes. And it's all ready to taste. And
yummy, yummy.
Yeah, Russell can tell us what he thinks of it.
All right. Let me tell y'all what I think of it.
Tell us.
I'm a fan.
Don't story to us.
No, I definitely won't do that. I love some pecan pie. I look forward to the holidays.
Me too. Pecan pie in a bar. Yep. And that crust, y'all, is so easy to put together.
That's exactly what that is, y'all.
Yes. The crust is easy to put together. You don't have to worry about rolling no pie crust out. It is just...
That's fantastic.
Perfect. It's good.
That filling is so good. Oh, my goodness.
Mm-hmm. It is delicious.
That will be a hit at your Thanksgiving get-together.
It's a winner.
Yeah.
It
fantastic,
is.
Y'all. Give it a try.
So simple. Y'all seen how quick it was to just whip it up. It didn't even take really that long to do. I will say, spray your wax paper really good. I did spray mine or whatever, and it's stuck in some little spots. Just if I'm being honest,
you don't want your bars falling apart, y'all.
No, if I'm being honest, and I'm honest.
Yeah.
Just give it a good little spray, so that it don't stick.
Yeah.
But anyway, other than that, they are
fantastic.
Delicious.
Yes, very good. Yep. We got a whole pan of them I got to get rid of. I can't be eating all these.
He can't be having them all, but it's all right.
Yeah.
But anyway, you can even make this ahead of time and freeze it. So we can put it in the freezer. So when we do want a little treat, just pull a little bit.
Little square off.
Put your little piece. Just bag them individually. Freeze them. Wrap them good and freeze them. So anyway, y'all. Pecan Pie Bars. I hope you try it.
Fantastic. Very good. Give it a try.
Perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas.
Yeah. Holiday meals. Yep.
Any time of the year, really. But, yeah, give it a try. I hope you love it. If you do try it, holler back at me. Let me know that you tried it. But anyway, y'all, I hope that y'all have a fantastic Thanksgiving. It's all about that family time.
Yep.
But we do enjoy the food. But I hope that you will have a wonderful holiday. And until next time.